started the fundamentals of database, the basic activities to start from the scratch for our specific resume plan and upskill activities in database platform. Let's get started slowly, step by step. This is Sai Fanindra from SQL School. I assure you complete practical step-by-step classes from scratch, right from the basics. That's my assurance, promise. And I want your interest. I want your strong commitment. Make sure we are learning it from scratch. Number one. Number two, on-time practice. Every day from today, I understand today is the introduction class. Means for me, it's a filtering class. I want the participants to filter their trainer. I have to also filter my participants so that we can happily continue the things in a proper way. Every day we have assignments. Every day. Please see that we practice on time. There is a specific day-wise roster, day-wise plan. You will take print copy of the day-wise plan, specific day-wise plan. We'll stick to it carefully. Do step by step. And attendees who are interactive, they get extra assignments. Attendees who are more interactive, they have additional activities on weekend, like this, something like this, like very recently we did Jan 15th. Yesterday, Sunday, we had one class and I gave the notification on Saturday. That's how we do. We do more, we get more and more. Need your support. At the end of the day, our resume should be colorful. And today, this introduction class is about database. What it is, who are our colleagues, what we do, what they do, and how we need to start our learning process from tomorrow. Yes, the things are a bit vast. Let's get started slowly, step by step from the very basics. First, what is database? It's a platform. Friends, we'll go for questions in another 5 to 10 minutes. Before we proceed for installation today, basic installation today, as we are all very new, a small warm-up is required today, technical activity installation, to start our classes with examples from tomorrow, second half. Before that, after intro, we'll go for doubts, clarifications. What is database? A platform. It's a platform to store any type of data, any amount of data, no restrictions. Remember. What do you mean, Sai? You can ask me, Sai, what do you mean by restrictions? I can store data in Excel, right? You can store data in PDF also. Then why database? What's the main advantage of it? Yes, any type of data means passwords, QR codes, barcodes, etc. Any amount of data, terabytes, petabytes of data, we call it big data. There are two basic types of databases we need to learn and implement from tomorrow. Number one, OLTP. If we have chance, please try to write the keywords, the bold letter items into your notes. This is the only PPT for the entire course. Only today. That too, 5 to 10 minutes. Detailed notes every day. You'll take print copy of it, but still stay tuned with your own observation notes if possible, please. Good to have it. Let's observe carefully. Two types of databases, OLTP, data warehouse. Living room, OLTP, live. Storeroom, data warehouse. All unused goods, old data, whenever required, we need to access it. That is a warehouse. So living room, storeroom. OLTP, online transaction processing database. This is a component we are going to install today and first half of tomorrow. OLTP, online transaction processing database, to store live real-time data. Remember, like live cricket match, live online banking, our live online class, live temperature, live stock market activities, anything live, OLTP. Other one, data warehouse, to store historical data, inactive data, old temperatures, old stock market activities, anything old is a warehouse. Developers will be involved in design of OLTP databases. Data engineers will be involved in, here it is, data engineers will be involved in design of data warehouse databases. Next, from here, data analysts, reporting, analysis, visualizations, DBAs, administration activities. Every database project has these 4 job roles. How they are integrated or interrelated to each other. On my screen, while you are joining, as you are joining, during your joining process of this webinar today, through some third-party apps like Facebook, LinkedIn, Insta, our Insta account, or through our SQLschool.com website, right? Or through WhatsApp, whatever, you got the link and you joined. So the live data is OLTP. Now, we have something called history. To touch base with our participants, we do have something called a WhatsApp channel, a new channel recently put, and we'll be having this kind of workshops actually, as you see on the screen. Recently, just a few days back, we created. So to whom we need to send that channel and the workshops? To all the active participants. From where we get them? Warehouse, right? Live data, OLTP, promotions, job updates, etc. Warehouse, completed data. From there comes Power BI, reporting, interactive activities. I repeat again, the birthplace of data. Remember friends, let's put in simple terms, simple English. The birthplace of data, data source. That data would be given to OLTP, live data. After few days or weeks or months or years, depending on the environment, it has to be given to warehouse. It has to be given to warehouse. Warehouse means old historical data. From there comes AI, machine learning, and forecasts, predictive analysis, deep learning, etc. That's how the projects actually work. Everywhere, any data, we can happily do reporting. Power BI. To report non-database data, SQL not required. To report database data, OLTP and warehouse, SQL very much required. From here comes certain job roles. I said developers will be involved in design of OLTP, data engineers, design of warehouse, data analysts, design of reports, admins. Now they should be jack of everything. They're supposed to manage every activity, every connection, every database. How to work with it? developers, admins, engineers, analysts, they work with one common cool friend called SQL. That is a concept here. Structured query language. I repeat again. Let's make it clear and straight. Our requirement. Okay, we'll do slowly step by step. Let's see. Our requirement. We are learning what is SQL now. Friends, please confirm. Or do you see my SQL screen or database screen? Please confirm. Please let me know.
Is SQL screen, sir.
SQL screen.
Perfect. Then
SQL
please.
screen.
Perfect. What is SQL? Let's understand, friends. Because developers, admins, engineers, analysts, everyone needs it. But why? Every doctor in a hospital needs a stethoscope. Heartbeat is important. Really, right? Every database professional needs SQL. Every touch on the database needs SQL, remember. Without SQL, we cannot look at the database also. Without SQL, we cannot store data, we cannot secure data, we cannot manage, we cannot monitor, we cannot report. Nothing we can do without SQL. That's why SQL is our backbone. From our SQL classes, from tomorrow, I'll put this way. Tomorrow we'll have installation. Today we are in the introduction right now. I'll provide the complete detailed notes. I'll do it anyway. I'll provide you today. You'll take a print copy. Notes will be sent 1 week in advance actually. For entire next week, this weekend you'll be receiving the notes so that you get the print copy of the notes with you. For today, tomorrow, there will be some post session notes. But by day after tomorrow, everything would be set right because we'll get the final list of all the confirmed participants towards registrations anyway. You'll be receiving the print copies week-wise. And tomorrow, we have installation. We need to do total of 3 installations total. Out of 3, I'll show you 1 installation today and remaining 2 tomorrow, first half. Then slowly start the basics. Very basics we'll start with. Making it easier and interesting with a room and a floor and a camera. Very simple concepts we'll start with to make it more interesting and live. Cupboards, tables, shelves, columns. Very simple and straight. But by 4th chapter, we need to hit a half century. Okay. So I want those participants who are really enthusiastic and interactive for learning more and more. It's not like a different mode of offline. No, okay, it's completely live. So participants who are interacting more will get more and more. Queries, common questions, answers, all Cerelac bottle spoon, I have to take care. We are all very new. But the boost is there in the assignment, really. Few questions will be outside the notes. But the moment you see the answers from me, they will be inside the notes. There are few questions. Google will not help us. Friends, it's a demo class and I'm showing you the questions also. Let's make it straight and simple. Our interviewer knows better than you and me. Let me tell you, friends. They know everything. So, especially attendees from recent college graduations, if any, please don't be in emotive, okay, chat GPT knows everything and Google Mata, my stepmother knows everything. No, they don't. They can't. If that is the case, my client can simply Google the solution and cancel my contract. As simple as that, right? It's not a big deal. Let's come to ground reality. Questions outside the notes, not all, few. 20% in every FAQ, 50% easy questions, 30% bit of add-on, and remaining 20% outside the notes. That's how I planned my assignments very carefully. I have been providing these trainings since 2008, sorry. So you'll see my contact number on SQL School in Google, dated back. So let's be very clear, friends. I want interactive, interested participants, please. Number one. Number two, the answers will be in document format. Please take print copy of the answers once you receive them. You'll submit your answers on email. You'll submit your answers on email. Maybe you can do on weekends or every day. It's up to you. Okay, but make sure you submit without fail. My kind request, everyone. Next, what we are learning now, we are understanding the SQL basic activities. Here we need to learn few architecture concepts, RDBMS, joins, remote joins. This is very important. For this purpose, today green, tomorrow red. Okay, 2 servers we have to install. Remember, our requirement is to start from the scratch SQL basics. We need to get detailed architecture. To understand the detailed architecture activities, we need few prerequisites. After architecture, we have tuning concepts. After tuning concepts, separation starts. Data engineer schedules are different. Power BI schedules are different. Developer schedules are different. DBA continues same schedule. I'll be sending you a separate video. You'll be downloading that particular video and use it as a reference throughout the course that contains chapter-wise content, like what we are going to learn in each chapter for your required opted course. Remember, friends, the initial 2 weeks is common for everyone. 2 to 2.5 weeks is common for everyone. Why? One technology, one software, one set of architecture and basic tuning concepts. It will be same. The dining plate will be, the dining table will be the same. DBA students or DBA participants will continue the same schedule for developers, Power BI, data engineers. Schedules are already there on the website to make it clear. But it's my duty to tell once again that the schedules would be there in a different way. For example, data engineer. On my screen, friends, we are here. SQL schedule, this one. Data engineer, time changes. So 8 to 9 we have SQL here. Data engineer 9 to 10. Power BI would be 7 to 8. So there is no much variation. Plus minus 1 hour. DBA continues the same schedule. Let me be very clear and straight. This will be communicated on WhatsApp and email anyway by our team. Now, let's restate once again what we are doing so far for last 20 minutes. We are understanding our job roles paired with our course activities. Developers responsible for design of OLTP. Note it, 100% coding. Our project has 2,500 lines of code if you are into SQL Developer course. Friends, I'm not frightening. I'm giving you the fact. On my screen now. Participants going for SQL programming, if any. The project, we have banking project, 2,490 lines of solved, fully solved project, working project. You will try it module wise. Then I have to give my solution as well. We are very cautious. We are learning the things mainly for the purpose of project only. Right? Here it is. 4 years degree BTech certificate is important. 2 years MS certificate is important. For our entire course, project is important. Many participants contact us, reach us mainly for project. We say, no, only project we don't have. It's training plus project together because we need it. We need it. There is no like something like alternative entry, no lateral entry for us. Project is important, need your support. You may start the project from the first weekend of the course in parallel to the training classes as per your comfort, or do the project whenever you want, anytime after first week to save your time and other calculations. I repeat, project work. Let's be very cautious. You start doing it after first week of the course, after first submission of the first week assignment activities. Any course, the same rule applies, same guideline apply. Next, whoever planning to continue from tomorrow, you'll be submitting a form now and let us know which course you are opting for. Is it SQL DBA? It's all about management, administration activities, troubleshooting activities, recovery activities, and so on. Or you may opt for other one like data engineer, SQL programmer, data analysts, business analysts. So whoever opting for the respective course, you'll be submitting a form now, and in reply to the submission, you need to have detailed day-wise roster, video format, Excel and PDF format. We need to know what exactly we are going to learn in each of the courses. From here, let's continue understanding the SQL basics installation. And the day-wise rosters and all, I will take care on email to make it more clear for us. I repeat again, our agenda today, basic installation, so that by tomorrow we can slowly start our practice. Before we start the installation, let's recap once again what we learned so far. We learned so far what is database. Please confirm. Do you see my Word document, everyone? Please, I'll wait, please.
Yes.
Perfect.
Visible.
Yes, sir.
We learned, I'll mail you this document, okay? I'll mail it anyway. We learned what is database. It's a definition we learned today. From tomorrow, second half, we need to slowly start creating it. We have to start feeling with our hands. We'll do basic types of databases. OLTP, warehouse, OLAP, HTAP. Mostly job roles would be for first two. HTAP is for data scientists. OLAP is for BI developers, business intelligence developers. But nowadays we have AI also. I forgot to mention, friends, all our courses involve AI components. Please note it. All our classes includes AI components with technical examples. We cannot escape it. You and me. I'll include this updated notes in the email today anyway. What are our job roles? I was mentioning about SQL Developer, data engineer, data analysts, and administrators. 4 prominent job roles. SQL developers, point 1, 100% coding. Point 2, there is no active certification from Microsoft. For data engineers, analysts, and admins, there are certifications. Let's start the installation now. And then slowly, we need to step into SQL, MS SQL, a communication platform to operate on any database. MS SQL, a variant of SQL, also called TSQL, to store and manage Microsoft SQL databases. You may ask me, Sai, what's the difference? iPhone, a type of mobile. Windows, a type of OS. MS SQL is a Microsoft brand of SQL. That is a concept here. MS SQL is a Microsoft brand of SQL. That is a concept here. Observe carefully. Next. From here, what else? Let's see. Simple, straightforward activity. I said we need to do the installation. It will take only 3 minutes. No problem. Observe carefully here. Once we do the installation, we need to start this technical journey. What we have to install? A software. Why? To start making us working with the database. That is called DBMS. Remember, Database Management System. It's a software to design, manage, administer the databases. DBMS is a software from Microsoft, very user friendly, cheaper, free support, and also supports cloud, part of our classes. Very simple and straight. I'll show you how to do the installation today and again repeat it tomorrow. Any trouble, I'll be there on WhatsApp. Just like iPhone, that has various versions, iPhone 13, 14, 15, so on. Same way versions of SQL Server, 2022, 2019, 17, 16, etc. We are going to do these two installations today and tomorrow. You will do the first installation before attending tomorrow's class. You will do second installation before attending day after tomorrow's class. Next, apart from this, iPhone has various flavors, iPhone Plus, Max, Max Plus, etc. Same way, editions of SQL have various flavors. Okay, these are all the flavors. Developer, lifelong free, evaluation, 6 months free. There is something called Express. It won't work for our course. Leave it. These two we are going to install today and tomorrow. What about real time? For project work, these won't support. Let me tell you again, developer evaluation are only demo pieces. We cannot implement real-time projects in these demo pieces. Remember that. Then what we do? For our resume, we need live project. I said you start the project from the first weekend of the course, post your submission of the assignments. Minimum 60 to 70% correctness of assignments, happy. Not expecting 100%. 60% enough correctness percentage. You will start the project. But how? You have our online server. You will be given access to this online server once you complete both local server installations. So total 3 servers we need to play from day after tomorrow. Remember, please. Everything step by step I will take care, but need your support. Extra effort is required. Hope you sensed by now. It is supposed to be the best training classes for us. Please, need your support. All activities I will take care. On time submission of assignments, you have to take care. Please, my kind request. Again, what I said total 3 servers we need to play with. Right, total 3 servers. Now, how the course looks like, the lab plan, let's see, with all those 3 servers. This particular notes I'll mail you today. In another 30 seconds to 1 minute, our team will mail you these notes now with updated content. And from tomorrow, we need to slowly step into the technical items. I said 3 servers we need to play with. So this is our plan, friends. 2 local servers in your computer, free. Both are free. I'll guide you how to do the installations. Each server takes only 3 minutes max. Next finish only. It's not a big deal. Next, apart from this, how to connect to the server? We have a tool called SSMS. Remember, what is that? SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, SSMS. SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, by heart this new friend, the yellow box on the screen in the diagram document. So 2 local servers, 1 online server. In easier terms, you have 2 websites. How to access them? Through a browser. Here 2 servers. How you access them? Using a tool. SQL Server Management Studio. No hurry. We'll configure this tomorrow. Today, let's see how to configure server 1. And what about operating system requirements? Windows 8 or higher required. Sai, I am using Mac. Well, if you are using MacBook, you will not be able to get these things configured. Please have Windows OS somewhere or the other, maybe VM, or get some cloud free VM, anything, or lend a laptop from your friend. Some means or the other. Get a Windows OS. We need it for our practice activities from day after tomorrow, please. Next. Now we are installing server 1. Tomorrow we'll install server 2. Firstly, we are going to download the software and then extract. Double click the setup file. I'll show you all these steps practically in another 1 minute. Installation, new installation. Friends, will go for questions during the wait time of installation anyway, okay? From tomorrow, we'll go for Q&A after every example repetition. I repeat, we'll take the example, we'll revise the example, and then go for questions from tomorrow throughout the course, including the project solution. Friends, I'm stressing hard project multiple times. Hope you mean what I mean. We need it. I repeat, extract, setup file, installation, new installation, accept licensing terms. It's all next only. Come on, everyone. You remember starting of the class, I said there is something called database engine. Please, you remember everyone? DB engine, database engine. Sorry, OLTP. Remember, please, everyone. OLTP, data warehouse. I said living room, store room. Please, everyone. You remember? Living room, store room.
Yeah, remember. Yes, sir.
Kitty bank and juice tagara.
Depa Kesa, please check your mic, sister. Please isolate yourself. This is our course. Please help me. Please help me. Please isolate yourself, please. Thank you. Yes, our requirement. Yes, friends, everyone. Others, you remember, please. I said OLTP, living room, warehouse, storeroom. Please, you remember everyone? Please, I'll wait.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Yes.
That living room database engine we installed. So database engine is a house. Remember, we require it for the first example. Server is our house. Database is a room. In our house, we have a living room, OLTP, storeroom, warehouse. Simple. Rooms have cupboards, tables. Cupboards have columns, shelves. That is SQL. Room, first house, room, cupboard, shelves. Server, database, table, columns. Okay, we do it carefully. We are going to install database engine. I repeat, server, database, table, column. That's our lyrics from tomorrow. Provide the installation name, admin name, install. Only 3 steps, 3 minutes. I'll show you, okay? Once again, download. You'll go to our website link after the class today, and there you have 2022, 2019 and older versions. Download the first one for today. Remaining, leave it to me for tomorrow. Okay, download. You'll do it after the class today. So to make it easier, I'll send this link separately anyway. I'll do. Next. From here, our next step. What else? Let's see. Our requirement. We need to download, extract, installation left, new installation right. Accept licensing terms, uncheck Azure. Azure is a Microsoft cloud. We'll get it configured later classes. For today, uncheck. Database engine, OLTP, living room. Remember, first database type. First slide today. Installation name, admin name, install. You are done. Tomorrow we'll go for second and other things one by one. For today, you'll do until first server installation. Let me show you how. Please observe carefully. I'll take you to my other system, other computer. Please confirm. Do you see my other computer, please? Please confirm, please. I'll wait.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes, it's visible.
Sure. Firstly, you please download the software. It will be like this. Okay, in this way. It will be like this. Next. Once you download the software, then next step. What we do, let's see. Right click, extract. Okay, extract. Once you extract, you get a folder like this. Double click on the setup file. I'll repeat it tomorrow anyway, but good to get close observation now itself. What is that? Firstly, download. Next, extract. Once you extract, installation left, new installation right. I'll repeat again. I'll revise it again. Observe carefully. First, download the software. Right click, extract. You get one folder directory. Double click on the setup file. Okay, double click on the setup file. Once you double click on setup file, installation left, new installation right, like this. Installation left, new installation right. Next. Let's wait for some time. Installation left, new installation right. Then what we do, let's see. Once you go for installation left, new installation right, see, you get one screen like this. Please observe carefully. Installation left, new installation right. Next. Once you go for installation left, new installation right. Let's wait for some time. Let's wait for some time. Let's hold on. Let's wait, okay? Another max 2 minutes, we are done. These are simple steps, okay? Download, extract. This is the only waiting screen. Let's hold on for a few minutes. Let's wait. In the meantime, you have some form. Please submit the form if you have time now or else after the class. Next, see one thing. See here carefully, friends. Firewall, ignore. We'll see how to address the firewall in architecture classes before we step into basic tuning classes mid of next week. Architecture and basic tuning mid of next week. Before that, we'll see how to address it. For now, next. Evaluation means 6 months trial, 180 days. Okay, 180 days, 6 months trial. Go with the evaluation edition. The default for now. Tomorrow something else for second server. For today, default. First server, click next. Next. Uncheck Azure. Next. Friends, please, everyone, you remember database engine, OLTP, living room, please, you remember now? Please, everyone, I'll wait.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Perfect. It takes 1 GB space, 1000 MB, about 1000 MB space. Okay. Next. Click on next. Provide the installation name. I'll call it as. Provide the installation name. I'll say SQL School SRV1. Give some name. Any name is okay, but no space. Don't give space. Okay. Give a name. Uppercase, lowercase, anything is fine. No space. Last final step. Admin name. Admin name. We'll take these options tomorrow. Detailed installation. We are all very new. Do this basic installation so that we are ready for tomorrow's class and click install. But I'll cancel and show you again for better comfort. Bear with me for 2 minutes. Download, right click, extract. Double click the setup file. Double click on the setup file like this. Come on, please. What else? Please. What next? Please. You remember, mic with you on,
Installation.
please.
Installation.
Exactly. We need to go for installation. Okay. Left side installation. New installation.
New installation.
Exactly. Okay. Let's observe carefully. Let's wait for some time. We'll go for questions after this activity. Let's complete the first server. Let's wait. Okay. So here you have to say next. It's all next only. Next. Really. Next only. Accept licensing terms. Uncheck Azure. because we are all very new to cloud. We'll give the cloud details later. For now, uncheck. Cloud is also required for our resume later. For now, database engine, OLTP. Okay. Next, give database engine. Next, give some server name. Any name is okay. We'll talk about these items, 2 items tomorrow, and these 2 items, name and ID, tomorrow. Okay, these items we'll do tomorrow one by one. All these items will not leave anything. We'll do tomorrow itself. For now, next, admin name. See, database engine, installation name, admin name. Only 3 steps. I repeat, database engine, installation name, admin name. You are done. I'll repeat again here, just to make it clear for us. Firstly, download, extract, double click, set up file, then new installation. Sorry for the typo, new installation. Next, click on next, and uncheck Azure. Check accept licensing terms. Check database engine. Then add current user. What next? Simply install. Wait. In between we have specify installation name, also called instance name. Please, are we getting it? Please, everyone, almost done now. Installation. Please, are we getting it? Please, you will try today before tomorrow's class.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Are we getting it? Please, I'll wait.
Yes,
Everyone,
sir.
please. Fine. We'll stop for today. Over to you. Questions, please. Let me know. And I have to send you the complete class notes. I'll send it. Plus notes for tomorrow I have to send you. And the day-wise course plan with our job roles for your selected course. And it also includes the project details and certification details. Okay, these things will be there in the video. If applicable, based on the course you are opting for. If it is developer, there is no certification. Others have certification. These things I will take it from my end. I'll do. Next questions, please. I'll wait. We'll stop for today. Please, any questions, please let me know. We'll stop for today. Over to you now.
Hello, sir.